Today I'm gonna go for my friend's Raya open house. So now I gotta choose my Raya outfit which my friends helped me to get. Let me try to show you first. And this time she even helped me to bring this tutung. So I will go to my friend's house and try to wear on. I'm so excited. Okay, so this is my first outfit. I like it actually. I really cannot choose. So I like the color and the details and everything. And this is my second outfit. When you see, I think it's a bit big for me, which is like this. But I like the detail here. Pretty, like this. So my third one, this is my third baju kurung. I think this is a bit also big for me, but I love the pattern. It's really nice. So, but I'm gonna choose first one or second one. Let's go. This is baju kurung that I chose for today. So hope you guys enjoy my video. Jom. I arrived. Look at the chubby baby. Let's go. Jom. How are you, girls?
Come here.
Oh my god, so cute. Oh my, hi, how are you?
I miss you.
Oh my god.
I want to take picture.
Yeah.
Say cheese Auntie Suyon. Auntie Suyon. Wait, 1, 2, 3.
Thank you, Raisa.
Oh, so pro.
Say cheese. Cepatlah, Aira benci. Isaac. Are you all ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, where is it?
On the way.
Oh, on the way. Okay, then I take it later. Oh, sorry. This is the food. Maybe we should. Wow, Tango, I like your baju. Ta-da!
The earring also like
Yummy.
How can I take this?
Okay. But it is February.
Seems so nice. You cook this?
No, lemang is people would because my hair always like straight and boring.
2 hours.
I mean, not nice. Now
Yes,
it's like,
Maybe one.
how to say, like,
Thank you.
Oh, it's like a face.
Yeah, like a face.
But this is
So cute. I like this.
Try, okay? She put in on the plate.
Oh, seems so nice.
This one nice, veggie.
Look at this.
There's
So nice.
take more.
Normally heavy with rice, right?
Normally we eat this and then we take the egg and then with the
Take egg.
peanut sauce.
Sambar. I know.
Kami dah kenyang ke? Alamak, nak shift right. Oh ya, dia tambah. So, apa lemak? Tapi kalau tambah
So nice. Such a sauce.
Ashwini, do you like it? This one? Very nice, right?
Very nice. Oh, this one I like it.
Tango, Balin, Tango. Heard the name. Now I'm missing the name.
Hey.
Yum yum good.
진짜 맛있어요. 찔떡.
apa minum air?
Yeah, I'm dying.
Diet? Oh my god. No way.
Ya, can see the
No
No, but he said Nabiku don't want to go out with her. Dia kena bawa next term dia. உனக்கு பிடிச்ச portion வந்து eat பண்ணிடு பழம். Is it recording?
Food is nice. My video.
She has a YouTube channel. So she records
For
all
my
her
YouTube.
stuff. I
Yeah.
should know how to
Buat food apa?
review.
Macam mukbang kan?
Not what?
Mukbang.
I mean, not really mukbang, but you do
Really
like
look-
this, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really cute.
Banyak please. Apa yang putih? I don't know what.
Just even.
Like real lemak.
Kena.
It's so nice.
Nanti dah tilam.
Sudah gitu ni Siapa lagi?
Dia
Dia buka
nak
wajib.
bilan.
Chicken rices.
Oh,
Vijay mana?
Vijay.
Vijaya.
Tak.
Oh.
Ah,
I try to find. Tak lah. Kena ke expat.
Ini lagi satu sana. 1, 2, 3. Semuanya. Alah tapi baju.
Dia dah ada ni tangan gambar.
Why he's hiding? Maybe.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Dia takut dia ingat dia tak nak masuk.
Kenapa ingat?
Rasa macam
Oh, sebab dia macam
terbakar.
Oh, it's a small
What did he have just now? He knows you're thinking about it. He's so smart.
Baju dia pakai. Pakai baju orang lain. Every time saying that they will reach around.
Oh, let's try shipping him up lah. Budak baru. Baru start 2 weeks.
So which one I go first?
This one.
Photo.
Photo. Oh, that's video.
Okay. Say cheese. Oh, please over here.
This is finally, after all, peaceful. What do you want? Hey, you're not eating. This one is really nice. We're having sugar rush.
You like doing the video editing?
It's fun. Wow, this one really fitting. Banana pudding by cream cheese inside.
Later you get big already.
I think so. Whole day eating. I think I've been eating since 5:30, like that. Now already 7.
It's okay, do more exercise.
2 more exercise. And keep drinking lemonade. 이만큼 먹었어요. 이제 곧 돌아갈 것 같습니다. 아, 너무 지금 지쳤어요. 아이들과 놀고 먹느라 너무 배고파.
Dekat dalam bilik.
Bye bye. Tashwini love it.
Like this, like this.
Like this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Bye.
아이샤. 저 이거 좋아요. 아 여기 또 있어. 페레로 로쉐 나는 맛. 이게 so many pieces. One left like this. I'm also gonna leave it now. 이제 돌아갑니다. 너무 맛있고 오랜만에 또 즐거운 라야 오픈하우스였습니다. 집으로 가볼게요. 바이. Say bye to this.
Ayah, Raisa.
Look at this after Raya open house.
Wow.
This is
Hai.
Okay, bye.
bye. Oh, so sweet.
Bye, Ira.
Ira, Liao only matter.
Ira. Bye.
Nice. Unboxing. Oh. Oh, Ira.
Aw.
Eat
Asa
me.
got what? Crocodile mouth? Oh,
Yeah.
what's this?
Gonna
Ouch! Ouchie!
Ouch! Here is Shireen, today's host.
Huh?
Today's host.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Thank you for coming. 감사합니다.
감사합니다.
Thank you for treating us.
Yeah, thank you for treating us. It was so yum. So good. Not enough. Are you gonna? Yeah, please. 오늘도 이렇게 즐겁게 하리라야 오픈하우스에 다녀왔는데요. 제 비디오가 즐거우셨다면 댓글창에 다음에는 어떤 거 보고 싶은지 남겨주시면 감사하겠습니다. If you have any ideas what would you like to see for my next episode, then please leave a comment. Thank you so much. Selamat Hari Raya.